the ones who don't know, my name is Avis. And for the ones who do know, how y'all doing today? Welcome back. Welcome back to another video on my channel, guys. Today, this video is a little different. I want to thank Temu for sponsoring this video. Y'all, look at all this stuff I got. This will be my first time ordering from Temu, actually. And so let me tell y'all a little bit about Temu. Temu is an online marketplace that offers the most competitively priced products in all categories, y'all. I'm talking about home decor, clothes, shoes, whatever. Actually, this is my first time ordering from Temu, so I can't wait to open this stuff up to see how it looks, because I know how I ordered it, how it looked when I was looking it up online, but how it actually looked in person, y'all. Also, Temu offers free shipping on products that's shipped from Temu. And they also offer a refund. You can get a refund up to 90 days, y'all. Free refund for up to 90 days. Also, they have a price protection policy. So basically, if you order something and the price drop within 30 days that you ordered it, you can request for partial refund, y'all. You can request for partial refund if the price drop within 30 days of your purchase. Okay? So also, guys, I do have a promo code which will be in the description. The promo code is DMW3992. What you need to do is download the Temu app to get a $100 coupon bundle for free, y'all, for all users. Okay, you're gonna search my code DMW3992, so you can get a $100 coupon bundle for free for all users. And don't forget, you have to download the Temu app. You can download the app through Google Play Store, or you can download the app through the Apple Store. Okay, let's get them coupons. That $100 coupon, girl, please. Coupon once again is DMW3992. So let's get it into the things that I got. I'm going to start off with the bags first. Oh, okay, so this right here is like decor, home decor. So this is basically like some of the things that you can add into like your plants and stuff. Little light, so like, let's see. Okay, we'll need some AA batteries. You run off AA batteries. But yeah, this is like a home decor that you can put into your into your plants. It's like little lights that or you can just put them in a vase. And they light up, y'all. So yeah, that's one of the things that I had got. And everything that I got, y'all, all the stuff I got was valued at $130, y'all. $130. A layer slab. Okay. Yeah, so y'all know the little DIY stuff, like the refrigerator restock and stuff like that. So I had got me this egg thing to put my eggs in. Let me show y'all. Oh wow, and this looked just like how it looked on the app. Okay y'all, so it's a 3-row. So basically you stack your eggs. You stack your eggs in, and it supposed to roll on down till you get to the bottom. And this is called a 4-layer slide egg box. So I can't wait to set that up. And it looks just like, oh, it is good material. It's very sturdy. I just want to say that, very sturdy. Very sturdy, guys. Very good material. Not cheap at all. It don't feel cheap, as I should say. Oh, okay, so this is a fridge organizer. Okay, so I did purchase a lot of stuff in my kitchen this time. So so this is a fridge organizer stuff, different stuff I could put my fruits and stuff in after I clean them. Oh wow, y'all, this is very good material. Oh, and I love the way it's packaged in boxes. Everything is packaged in boxes. Oh wow. Okay. Got the bubble wrap going on. Oh wow, this is so pretty. Oh man, very good material. Okay, so yes, the little boxes to put your stuff in. Okay, that's the little mini boxes. Can y'all see that? Let me take it out the plastic. And like I said, all the stuff I got was valued at $130, y'all. Very good material, not easy to break, very stern. Put little stuff in there that you want to put in there. Refrigerator organizer. Okay. So I'm about to figure out how to set it up. Then I got these. And it also come with this right here. Okay. Gotta figure out the things I'm gonna put in. The top goes on here, y'all. Okay. And I got some more of these. So I got how many of these? The little ones I have. Oh, and also these. Okay, y'all. Okay, so these is different pieces. So we have these little ones that I show y'all. And then also these long. Oh, I can't wait to set this up, y'all. This is very good material. Very good. It's not cheap at all, y'all. It's very sturdy. So I can set this up. Oh, my refrigerator gonna be looking good, y'all. Okay, set this up like this. Another one. Then I have one more. So I have 6 small ones and 3 big ones. 3 long ones like these. And then I also have this big one right here. A fridge organizer, y'all. Y'all shop Temu. Don't forget to download the app. Search my code. So you can get a $100 coupon bundle for all users. For all users, okay? You get a free $100 coupon bundle when you search my code. Okay, y'all, I got this for the car. It's a fast car charger. And the prices that y'all see popping up when I show each item, this is how much it costs. So, yeah, you can have nice, good looking, expensive looking things, great quality for cheap prices, for good prices, y'all. So this is a fast car charger, and why I picked this out is because, as you know, we have kids, including us. We're a good size family. So when it comes to the charging ports, you can fit up to 4 charging ports in this car charger. Let me get up close to y'all. And the price of this is flashing. Yeah, you can fit up to 4 chargers. Hey, we need that in the car. So that's a fast car charger. Okay, let's move it along. What is this? This is, I don't know, but we're about to see. Oh, okay, I remember what this is, y'all. Okay, so you know how you go to a store, right? And they have like the canned sodas, and they be in that push thing when you bring it out. That's what this is. When they be in the cooler, and you get your canned soda from the coolers, and they have that push white thing that the cans be sitting in. That's what this is. I got this for our drinks, to organize our drinks. I got to set it up. See, this right here, these right here. You put the canned sodas in there. Yeah. Oh, wow. These are nice. I got black color. Nice. Once again, great material. Great material. Look at that. Nice, black, sleek, pretty, y'all. Very pretty. You just set it on your after you set it up, you set it on your shelf. And the picture is down below. I'm showing y'all a video of how it looks once it's set up. Yes, guys. Oh, I can't wait to use it. Oh, man, I can't wait to use this. Let me put this. Oh, yes. Okay, y'all. So, this is a mini juicer. This is a mini juicer. It's USB wireless, it's portable, and it's hands-free. Okay, it makes real juice without water. This is a mini juicer, y'all. I just wanted to try it out. And the fact that it's mini, okay? Mini. I can't wait to try it. Squeeze us some oranges, make some apple juice, make us something, y'all. I really never juiced before, but I do want to start. So this is a mini juicer. Let me see how it looks. Let's see how this mini is. Oh, okay. The rack is already set up for me and everything. Oh, okay. So, okay, so by the picture, you'll put that in there like that, and then you'll put the fruit on top of here, and then you'll put the fruit right here on top of this, and then you'll put the top on there. And close. It says close and fasten the cover. The switch is right here, and then wait for juicing. And it's USB. Let me make sure I'm reading this here. USB wireless, y'all. So far with the stuff I got. Okay, they gave me some Shop Like a Billionaire bag. Oh, this is cute. Shop Like a Billionaire bag. Hey, let's see what's in the big boy box. And this box right here actually just came. All the rest of the stuff I already had, but this right here just came. Oh yes, y'all. This is my deep fryer. This is a professional style fryer and a convenience at your home. It's 1800 watt immersion. Element assures fast heating. Big 9-cup food capacity. Removing heating element and enamel and pot for easy cleaning. Luxury fryer cover with view window. Oh, I have a window where you can view the stuff frying. So yes, y'all, this is a deep fryer. Y'all can see that from Temu. So let's get this out the box. Let me see. Oh, yeah. I'll have to clean all that up, y'all. Have to clean all this up. Oh, wow. Look at that, y'all. Y'all, I have not ever had a deep fryer before. This is my first deep fryer I ever had. Oh, this is nice. Okay, so this is the top. They say you have a window view. This is the top, y'all. A 9-quart basket. Okay. Fry some chicken up in there. Some deep fried fish. Okay. And this is how it looks. This is how it look, y'all. Ain't that nice? Ain't that nice? Okay. And you see the little owl in there, and then I guess you can take this up. Easy to clean. That's what they mean by easy to clean. Oh, wow. All right. Well, I'm take that paper off there. Take that paper off. Push that on in there. Take this paper off right here. I'll go this way. Okay. Come on, French fries. Come on, deep fried chicken. Come on, deep fried fish or whatever you can deep fry. I cannot wait to use it. Okay. So, I am really enjoying the stuff that I received from Temu. Y'all, go ahead and download that Temu app. But I told y'all I had to see the stuff first before I let y'all see what it's about. Y'all go ahead and, ooh, and look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Okay. Go ahead and download that Temu app, y'all. If you want to, like that bag say, shop like a billionaire. Okay. But it don't cost billionaire prices. Okay. Go ahead and download that Temu app and y'all check them out. All right.